Amazing phone functions you had no idea existed. Enter this number using the dial pad, and the phone will immediately go into its secret diagnostic mode. Note that the process is automatic, so there's no need to tap on the green call button to enter the command. Your phone's touchscreen is easily its most important component you can test, as it's generally required to gain access and interact with your handset. So to test out this functionality and check for any dead zones, tap on the touch button to get started. Now, trace the squares on the screen to complete the X-marked box, which should turn green. Once done, you'll be automatically taken back to the main test page. Alternatively, you can also exit to the main test page by pressing the volume up button. Tap on the speaker button if you want to test out your handset's audio output. SUBSCRIBE tests out your hardware buttons, along with the virtual home button. Pressing each button changes the screen color to help verify their functionality. Tap on the exit button in the middle of the screen to exit back to the main diagnostic page. The LED test checks for the functionality of your device's LED notification light.